शिक्षा जगह से नहीं पढ़ाने वाले शिक्षकों से मिलती है।
Question and the same example and wherever this question and today 5.1 question 1 and we got this question. Question 1, if a matrix has elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 5 elements? 5 elements. 5 elements. If a matrix has 8 elements, if a matrix 8 elements, 8 elements, 8 elements, what are the possible orders we can, and it has 5 elements. 5 elements. Solve. Matrix 8 elements. Matrix equal 8 matrix and possible orders. Possible orders. Possible order. This method. 8 divide. Then 8 equal 8 into 1 equal 8. 1 into 8. 4 into 2. 2 into 4. 8 into 1 8. 1 into 1 8. 4 into 2 8. 2 into 4 8. Any doubt? 8 into 1 8. 1 into 1 1 into 8 8. 4 into 2 8. 2 into 4 8. A possible this order. Possible order 1 2 3 4. Anywhere? Possible order 1 2 3 4. 4 answer. Anybody doubt? And what if it has 5 elements? 5 elements. 5 matrix. Anywhere? 5 matrix. 5 elements. 5 elements. 5 elements. Same orders. Same orders. 5. 5 equal 5 into 1. 1 into 5. Anybody doubt? 5 into 1 5. 1 into 5 5. This order, possible order 1 2 2. Anybody doubt? A matrix if has 8 elements, what are the possible order? It can have what is 5 elements. 5 elements and 8 elements. 5 elements, 5 elements and 8 elements. 5 elements possible order. Possible order 4 and 5 elements possible order 2. Answer. Anybody doubt? This method is same, but I was just type 1. And next question, question number 2. Matrix. Matrix R1 denotes R1, E1, E2, similarly E3 and R1, R2 and matrix 11, similarly R11, R12 and anywhere this one. But matrix R1, this method R1 and this method C1. R1 and C1. So the R1 and C1. R1 denotes of the first row and the C2. First row 11 R1 and C2 A21 and C2. Similarly 3 into 4 3 A11 R1 equal 3 into 1 3 A21 C2 equal 4 3 into 4 4 into 1. Another answer. Does not this method is R1 denotes R2 3 into 4, 3 into 1 or 4. Question number 3. Let's A be a matrix of order 3 into 4 if R1 denotes the first row and A and C. First row A and C denotes its second column, then determine the order of matrix R1 and C2. R1 and C2. Then let's matrix of order denotes R1 and C2. Solve. No variable, this question is a simple method. 3 into 4 denotes R1 denotes first row and C2. As example, A11, A12, A13, 14, 21. 3 into 4. 21, 22, 23, 24. 31, 32, 33, 34. Matrix R1 denotes R1, A1, A2, similarly A3 and R1, R2, and matrix A11, similarly R11, R12, and anywhere this one. But matrix R1, this method R1 and this method C1. R1 and C1. So the R1 and C1. R1 denotes of the first row and the C2. First row A11, R1, and C2, A21 and C2. Similarly, 3 into 4, 3, A11, R1 equal 3 into 1, 3, A21, C2 equal 4, 3 into 4, 4, 4 into 1. Another answer. Does not this method is R1 denotes R2, 3 into 4, 3 into 1 or 4. This method value shortly denotes R1 A and C2, or R1 C2 denotes 3 into 4 and value 3 into 1 and 4 into 1. This method. Next 4. And 4, question 4, construct a 2 into 3 matrix A equal Aij, matrix Aij, whose elements Aij given by. The simply method in the before this class, Aij equal A11, 12, this method, and matrix A equal Aij. This question is carefully. Aij, whose elements Aij given by, only Aij as Aij 1, question 1, Aij equal I into J. And 2 into 3 matrix. Matrix this value of order this 2 into 3. 2 into 3. A matrix A11, A12, 2 into 3. 2 into 3. A21, 2. A22, A21, A23. Matrix A equal 2, A11, A12, A13, A A11, A12, A13, 21, 22, 23. 2 into 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2 into 3. This matrix 2 into 3. A 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3. 2 row है 3 column. And question is solved. Eij equal I into j. A first method 11. A11 equal I j. A11 I into 1 equal 1. Any doubt? A12 I into 1 I1 j2 equal to A13 I1 into 3. Similarly, A21 I2 into J1 equal to A22 equal 2 into 2 4 A23 first letter I second letter J 2 into 3 6. Then A11 Ij, this condition Ij, A11 this value 1 matrix, and A12 2 13 3 21 2 22 4 23 6. This value of Aij equal I into j. That's answer. Answer. And similarly second Aij equal 2I into j. Similarly same A11 equal 2 into 1 I into j1 equal 2 into 1 equal 2. A12 2 into 1 I into j 2 equal 4. A30 2 into 1 into 3 2 into 3 6. Similarly same. Any doubt? Same this method. A21 equal 2 into I into j1 equal 2 into 2 4 1 4 22 2 into 2 4 into 2 equal 8. A23 2 into 2 into 3 4 into 3 equal 12. Any doubt? And matrix this order this available A B anywhere. A11 2 12 4 13 6 21 4 8 12. Answer. This variable 1 11 12 13 21 22 23 same Eij plus and multiplication to multiplication and subtraction and addition plus and adjoint square and upon 2 anywhere. Example 4 3 and 4 3 Eij equal I plus j. I A11 1 plus 1. Any doubt? 2 A12 2 into 3 1 plus 2 equal 3 A13 1 plus 3 equal 4 and A21 2 plus 1 equal 3 A22 2 plus 2 equal 4 A23 2 plus 3 equal 5 A24 and 23. Only this 21 22 23. A11 2, A12 3, A13 4, A21 3, A22 4, A23 5. Anywhere in matrix A11 2 3 4 2 4 5. Anywhere this order variable on sides and doubt A equal B equal anywhere answer. And 4 Aij equal I plus j whole square upon 2. A11 equal 1 plus 1 square 2 1 plus 1 2 square upon 2 4 upon 2 2 and A12 1 plus 2 square upon 2 equal 3 square upon 2 9 upon 2. A13 1 plus 3 square. Any doubt? 4 square upon 2 62 8 A21 1 2 plus 1 square upon 2 3 square upon 2 9 2. Any doubt? And next 22 equal 2 plus 2 square upon 2 4 square 2 16 upon 2 8. Any doubt? A23 2 plus 3 square upon 2 5 square upon 2. Any doubt? This order table A11 2 9 upon 2 8 9 upon 2 8 25 upon answer. As example, Aij 2ij into 4j and 2j into 3i and 4i plus j square upon 5 anywhere. This method anywhere. Only this method. 3 4. Any doubt? And again number 5. In question 5, question number 5, construct A do 2 into 2 matrix called Aij whose elements given and same for 3 example. Matrix A equal Aij whose elements are given by I plus j whole square upon 2 Aij. Similarly, this method one before for question 4 anywhere same number 1 matrix 2 into 2 only capital this order 2 into 2 A11 A12 21 22 2 into 2. Doubt? Aij equal I plus j whole square upon 2. A11 1 plus 1 2 square upon 2 4 upon 2. A12 1 plus 2 upon 2 square 3 square upon 2 9 upon 2. A21 2 plus 1 square upon 2 3 square upon 2 9 upon 2. A22 2 plus 2 square, what is this 2 plus 2 square upon 2 4 square 2 16 upon 2 8. This other matrix 2 9 upon 2 9 upon 2 and 8. Any doubt? This order E matrix. And second same 1 same 3 4 5 anywhere this question they were same, and 5 and 6 upon this question this method same as 5 and 6 question 5 and 6 question doesn't advance. Only this mode option, this care mode option EIJ mode 2I subsection 3J upon 2 and EIJ equal subsection 3I plus J mod upon 2. Anywhere same 1 2 3 4 same question and 5 6 same question, and other EIJ advanced question no. This question will use no advance, only the same method. And for example 5 and 6 anywhere 6 and 5 subsection before, and example EIJ equal mod subsection I plus 2 J, only J mod upon 2. 11 subsection 3 into I 1 plus J 1 mod upon 2 3 plus 1 only mod upon 2 1 subsection 3 plus 1 subsection 2 mod. This variable is order number and a real numbers dictate out and exit mod this exit only this plus, and this before mod under plus and this exit and denotes subsection, and a mod subsection mod subsection then only plus upon 2, and mod 2 equal subsection 2. Only this exit, this real numbers exit mod plus this exit plus, and mod this before exit plus and exit subsection, then subsection 2 and exit this method plus 1 and A12 subsection 3 into I1 plus 2 upon 2 subsection 3 plus 2 mod A3 subsection 1 mod upon 2 exit this mod exit 1 A 2 into 2 A20 21 A21 2 3 I J upon 2 6 1 upon 2 mod this method table 5 upon 2, but mod this 5 upon 2, and 22 3 2 plus 2 mod upon 2 6 upon 2 mod 4 2 1 upon 2 5 upon 2 2. Any doubt? Same method. And 6 7 what is this? 7 EIJ equal 2 e 2ix e 2ix sin x j. a11 e 2i1x sin x into j equal e 2x sin j1x e2x anyway a12 e 1x sin j sin 2 sin x and sin 2x a equal 2x sin 2x. Any doubt? Similarly, and a22 same. Anyway, this method is same. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This order 2 into 2. Anyway, doubt? This question is with doubt. Just explain before. Same method. 4 5 3 method and 6 method